Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking in the view you want and turning the sun on so Enscape has natural light to work with. Once done, disable auto exposure and set exposure between 0, 8 and 1, 2 to reveal detail without clipping. Make sure your model scale and normals are correct. Lighting behaves like real life, so a model at the wrong scale will look off. This gets you immediate feedback and a consistent baseline to tweak both environment and artificial lights. Now focus on how individual lights and materials interact. You should set fixture intensity in lumens and pick a color temperature in Kelvin so whites read correctly. Warm interiors are 2700-3000 K. Use emissive materials for indirect glow and raise emission values rather than only boosting exposure. Import IES profiles to shape beam patterns and adjust falloff to control hotspots. Also check material roughness and metalness. These parameters dictate how light bounces and creates realistic highlights. Finish by dialing Enscape quality and using denoising for final renders. Save your adjustments as a lighting preset so you can repeat results. Make incremental tweaks. Lower ambient or sky brightness to reveal interior lighting, or boost fixture lumens for more punch. If something still looks wrong, inspect object normals and verify lumens are realistic. Sometimes materials with black emissions or inverted normals block light. If needed, restart Enscape to clear the cache. That often resolves stubborn visual glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.